project code ITJCC09. Project title Towards Usable Cloud Storage Auditing. Auditing is nothing but he want to give a private database to store his user data. For safety purpose, we use encryption method. Encrypted is nothing but if we upload the file, it will store it as improper way. If anybody see means we cannot understand the concept. That will give us safety to the project. And every file upload key has a file key. While downloading, he want to enter the file key. In existing concept, safety will be less and the interface will not be attractive and the excessive algorithm is used. And drawback of the existing will be the security level is low and the file will not be saved as encrypted. It will saved as normal. So if any hacker or any person is try to crack and view the details means it will show straightly. So safety is very less in existing projects. In Propose, we are trying to give attractive and user friendly in Propose system we use AES algorithm. And existing technology is RSA algorithm is used to monitor encrypted and decrypted messages. Proposed technology they use homogeneous encryption in the form of encryption allowing one to perform calculator as encrypted data without decrypting it first. Architecture mainly there will be three: owner, user, admin. Owner want to register and choose package and pay the amount. This amount will be viewed by admin, then give permission. To login. After that, owner will be login and he has a database to store. That user will register, then login, and he will upload the file that was checked by owner and accept, and it will be stored in database. After when the user needs the file, he want to request. That request goes to owner. After accepted the owner, the user will download the file by entering a file key. Real-time example: database stored in has Dropbox and Google Drive. If we generally using our data to store it in Drive, and when we need, we will retrieve from the Drive. So that like in our project also, owner will give a space to store our file. When we want, we can request to the owner and we can download the file. Future enhancement: we can use the real-time email. In our project, we used a file key stored in local database only. But in future, we try to do keep the file key to send the file key to the mail ID. It will be more safe than keeping a file key in our local database. Software for our project, front end will be HTML, CSS for design purpose, and for validation JavaScript will be used. Backend for storing the data we use MySQL. These two connectivity will done by Java. MySQL is a database storage software we use it in our project, and Eclipse is a IDE, integrated development environment. This Eclipse we use it for developing Java code. This is a minimum requirement for our project hardware. These all needed to run our project. Thank you.